This video lecture I am going to prove that cos2A divided by A square minus cos2B divided by B square equal to 1 by A square minus 1 by B square. So let's see the answer. So first I am going to write the LHS left hand side. So here cos 2A divided by A square minus cos 2B divided by B square. Now thereafter writing here sine rule. So sine rule, A divided by sine A equal to B divided by sine B, C divided by sine C. Let's say K. So you can assume PQRST whatever. Now here A divided by sine A equal to K. A equal to K sine A. So this is the first. Next here B divided by sine B equal to K, and here B equal to K sine B. This is the second. Now here C divided by sine C equal to K, so we can write C equal to K sine C. Now hereafter, so we have a formula about the cos2A. We can write 2 cos square A minus 1. So if I use 2 cos square cos2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. So if I use this formula, so to solve this it will more complicated. Now here another formula is cos2A equal to 1 minus 2 sine A square A. So if I use this formula, so we can easily solve that. So here now cos2A divided by A square, and here cos2B divided by B square. After that here let's use breaking this on the sine form. So cos2A we can write 1 minus 2 sine A square A divided by A square, and cos2B 1 minus 2 sine square B divided by B square. Now thereafter we can write separating this all, so 1 minus A square divided by 2 sine A square A divided by A square. Next minus, here we can write 1 by B square, and here 2 sine square B divided by B square. Now let's multiply with minus. So 1 A square, and here 2 sine A square A divided by A square. This is 1 divided by B square minus minus plus 2 sine square B divided by B square. After that, in place of A is equal to K sine A square K square sine square A. So now we can write 1 minus A square 2 sine A square A. So here we can write K square sine A square. So in the bracket write A equal to K sine A. So A square equal to K square sine A square A. So A square K square sine square A, writing 1 minus B square here plus, so 2 sine A square B. So B, here we can write K square sine square B. So here B equal to K sine B. B square equal to K square sine square B. After that, here sine square cancel, here sine square B, B cancel. So here 1 minus A square, this I am writing first 1 minus B square. Here this return 2k square plus 2 divided by k square. So this plus minus that cancel. Now finally we can get 1 minus a square divided by 1 minus b square. So this we need to get that. Here you can see on the RHS 1 minus a square divided by 1 minus b square. So we can write LHS equal to RHS. It's proved. So one time going to repeat. Take the LHS, use the sign, and here a by sin a equal to k, a equal to k sin a, b equal to k sin b, c equal to k sin c. So if I use this formula, so it will more complicated. Sorry, not this one. This, by using this we can solve this easily. If I use cos2A formula, so it will be more complicated to solve that. Now I am using this formula, so cos2A we can write 1 minus 2 sin square a, cos2b 1 minus 2 sin square b. A square make the relationship with 1 and 2 sin square a, same with b square, and after that here sin a square we can write k square sin square a, and after doing the calculation here you can get 1 by a square minus 1 by b square. So this is the way we can prove this question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.